Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to dive into the world of foldable phones. In this video, I'll introduce you to 6 of the most innovative foldable devices of 2024. After thorough research and hands-on testing, I've curated a selection that caters to a variety of needs and preferences. Whether you're seeking top-notch performance, sleek design, or cutting-edge features, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end to discover the perfect foldable phone for you. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and smash that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest content. All right, let's jump right in. Number 6. Best flip foldable phone for cameras. Let's explore the innovative Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. This phone redefines the foldable experience with its remarkable features. The Z Flip 5 impresses with its large 3.4-inch outer display, perfect for quick tasks and notifications. Its gapless hinge design enhances durability, ensuring minimal dust intrusion and IPX8 water resistance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, backed by 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage, it delivers smooth performance for all your needs. The dual camera system features a 12MP wide lens and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, capturing vibrant shots with reliable HDR. While its battery life is decent, lasting through a workday with 25W charging support, heavy users might need more. Starting at $99.99, it's a premium investment for those seeking innovation. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 offers a larger outer display, a durable design, powerful performance, and a capable camera system. Number 5. Most affordable foldable phone. Introducing the Motorola Razr 2023, a foldable phone that redefines affordability without compromising quality. Priced at $699, it's $300 less than its foldable counterparts, making premium technology accessible to more users. The Razr boasts a sleek design, available in sage green, vanilla cream, summer lilac, and cherry blossom. Its main 6.9-inch POLD display offers vibrant visuals and a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, while the convenient 1.5-inch OLED exterior display keeps you updated on the go. Capture stunning photos with the 64MP main camera and 13MP ultra-wide lens, ensuring every moment is beautifully preserved. Powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chip and 8GB of RAM, the Razr delivers seamless performance for everyday tasks. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 10 hours and 48 minutes, with 30W wired charging for quick top-ups. Running on Android 13, the Razr offers a clean user experience with 3 years of promised OS updates. In conclusion, the Motorola Razr 2023 is a compelling choice for those seeking a foldable phone without breaking the bank. Number 4. Best foldable for cameras and usability phone. We review the Google Pixel Fold, Google's first foray into the foldable phone field. Priced at $1,799, 236GB, and $119.19 at 512GB, this device is a premium rival to the Galaxy Z Fold. Pixel Fold has a stylish 5.8-inch front display and opens to reveal a 7.6-inch OLED main display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Google's software stands out for its intuitive multitasking feature, allowing seamless side-by-side use of applications. On the camera front, the Pixel Fold impresses with a triple rear setup, 48MP main, 10.8MP ultra-wide, 10.8MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and sharp 9.5MP front and 8MP interior cameras. Powered by the Tensor G2 chip and 12GB of RAM. Performance lags behind some rivals, but is a solid performer for daily tasks and gaming. Battery life is good, with a 4,120mAh battery that supports 30W wired and Qi wireless charging. In summary, the Pixel Fold offers a stylish design, powerful cameras, and intuitive software, but its high price, large bezels, and performance may pause. Number 3. Best flip phone style foldable phone. Motorola Razr Plus. This clamshell foldable is making waves with its stunning design and innovative features. First off, the design is top-notch. The polished metallic frame and vegan leather casing make it a real eye-catcher. Plus, the hinge is solid, keeping the phone flush when opened. The 6.9-inch OLED main display and 3.6-inch OLED external display are impressive, although some apps struggle to scale on the smaller screen. Performance-wise, the Razr Plus holds its own with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and 8GB of RAM. It handles everything smoothly, from basic tasks to gaming. The camera setup is solid, with a 12MP main and 13MP ultra-wide macro lens. While it performs well in ideal conditions, low-light shots could be better. Battery life is decent, lasting a day with normal use, and the 30W wired charging is speedy. At $999, it faces tough competition, but current deals make it tempting. In conclusion, the Razr Plus is a stylish, versatile foldable, setting the standard for clamshell phones this year. Number 2, let's dive into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 unveiled at Galaxy Unpacked 2023. Priced at $1,799, it's refined rather than revolutionary, focusing on a new hinge and upgraded Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Sporting a 7.6-inch QXGA Plus inner display and a 6.2-inch HD Plus outer display, both dynamic AMOLED, it offers a seamless 120Hz refresh rate experience. With 12GB RAM and storage options up to 1TB, it's a powerhouse. The 4400 mAh battery, 50 megapixel main camera, and 10 megapixel selfie camera are impressive. Available in icy blue, phantom black, cream, gray, and blue, the Z Fold 5 retains the Z Fold 4's $1,299 starting price, disappointing some expecting a cutthroat competition with Google's Pixel Fold. Pre-orders are open, offering enticing deals like free storage upgrades and trade-in options. While it's not a groundbreaking overhaul, the Z Fold 5 refines the foldable experience with subtle enhancements and sleek design, maintaining Samsung's position at the forefront of foldable innovation. Number 1. Best foldable phone overall. Introducing the OnePlus Open, a revolutionary foldable phone priced at $1,499,999, offering unparalleled features and performance. With its sleek design and innovative open canvas multitasking, it surpasses competitors. Powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip and 16GB of RAM, it ensures exceptional speed and efficiency. Its 512GB storage provides ample space. The 7.82-inch FlexiFluid AMOLED main display and 6.31-inch SuperFluid AMOLED outer display offer vibrant visuals. Equipped with a Hasselblad triple camera setup, including a 48-megapixel main camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 64-megapixel telephoto camera, it captures stunning photos and videos. While its low-light performance may not be the best, its camera capabilities shine in well-lit environments. The OnePlus Open boasts long battery life and fast-charging technology, with its 4805 mAh battery and 67W wired charging, ensuring you stay powered all day. Though lacking wireless charging, its features and pricing compensate, especially with a $200 trade-in offer. In summary, the OnePlus Open redefines foldable phones with its features, performance, and affordability. Experience the future of smartphones with the OnePlus Open. And there you have it, folks. 6 incredible foldable phones that are redefining the smartphone experience in 2024. I hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you did, show some love by giving it a thumbs up and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, comparisons, and updates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious and stay connected.